My name is Jesse.
Hi, Marco.
Our guys crawled under there. He took the keys down there with him, and he lost our keys. You set this whole truck up yourself?
Yeah.
Nice. It looks really organized, man.
Thank you.
Cool.
There we go. So it's down there?
Yeah, it's that one right there to the right.
Where is it?
It's right up in there in that pocket.
Right here?
There. Yep. Pretty high up there.
Yeah, there's not enough space to pick it or shim it.
Little trouble?
It was a nightmare. It's once in a year. That's it.